The 2025 Ford Fusion is finally here, and it's making a bold comeback. After disappearing from Ford's US lineup in 2020, the Fusion nameplate returns with a whole new identity, and trust me, this isn't the midsize sedan you remember. This time around, the Fusion is reborn as a sleek, SUV-inspired crossover, and it's loaded with new tech, new design, and a new purpose. Today on Drive Trend, we're diving deep into what the all-new Fusion brings to the table and whether it's worth your attention in this competitive market. Right off the bat, the 2025 Fusion doesn't look anything like the outgoing sedan. It's higher off the ground, has a wagon-like silhouette, and feels more in line with what buyers are looking for in 2025, utility, space, and style. It's basically Ford's answer to the Subaru Outback, but with a bit more edge. The front end features a wide grille, sharp LED lighting, and rugged cladding around the wheel arches, giving it that off-road ready vibe without overdoing it. Under the hood, the Fusion Active, yes, that's what this new version is officially called, comes with a choice of turbocharged engines. We're looking at a 2.0-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and yes, all-wheel drive is standard. Ford hasn't released final horsepower numbers just yet, but early reports suggest somewhere around 250 horsepower, which should be more than enough for daily driving and weekend adventures. Inside, the 2025 Fusion is where things really start to shine. Ford has clearly taken a lot of inspiration from the new Explorer and Mustang Mach-E. There's a massive touchscreen sitting center stage, likely running the latest Sync 4 system, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. You also get a fully digital gauge cluster, plenty of soft touch materials, and just enough physical buttons to keep things practical. It's a clean, modern design that feels premium without going overboard. Passenger space is generous too. Whether you're up front or in the back seat, there's plenty of room to stretch out, and cargo space is surprisingly solid. Fold the rear seats flat, and you've got a near-flat load floor, perfect for hauling gear, groceries, or even a couple of bikes. This is a crossover that's clearly built for people with active lifestyles, and Ford knows exactly who they're targeting here. Safety-wise, the Fusion Active doesn't disappoint. Ford's Copilot 360 suite comes standard, which means you're getting adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. There's also talk of a hands-free driving mode similar to Blue Cruise, though it might be reserved for higher trims. Now, let's talk about pricing. While Ford hasn't officially announced the numbers yet, we're expecting the Fusion Active to start around the $35,000 mark. Fully loaded, it'll probably touch the mid-$40,000s, depending on the trim and options. That puts it right in line with competitors like the Outback, Toyota Venza, and even the Honda Passport. It's not cheap, but given what you're getting in terms of features and versatility, it feels competitive. So, who is the 2025 Fusion for? It's for the driver who wants something a little different. Maybe you're tired of SUVs that all look the same. Maybe you miss sedans but need the practicality of an SUV. Or maybe you just want something that stands out without being flashy. The Fusion Active nails that balance. It's stylish, functional, and just rugged enough to handle life beyond the pavement. Will it replace the traditional sedan in Ford's lineup completely? Probably not, but it does signal a shift, a recognition that today's drivers want more than just a car to get from point A to point B. They want comfort, tech, safety, and the freedom to go wherever the road leads. If you've been keeping an eye on the evolution of Ford's lineup, this isn't surprising. The Fusion name is being redefined for a new generation, and so far, it looks like Ford has hit the mark. That's it for this review of the 2025 Ford Fusion. What do you think about this new crossover approach? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and auto news right here on Drive Trend. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.